Hey everybody, it's JJ and I'm back. I'm broadcasting here on YouTube to bring you my latest stories, adventures, and life experiences.
Hello guys, good morning. It's with me again in JJ YouTube channel, and today I'm going to unboxing this big box. This big box is a microwave brand Samsung Smart Oven. Aku nggak bisa carry ya, soalnya berat. And aku belinya di Carries PC World. The price is the most cheaper in the UK. So compared to what it called John Lewis. Let's start unboxing. I'm gonna cut here first. This microwave with 3 combination. It means ini microwave-nya pintar ya, karena bisa untuk 3. One is for normal oven, and then also untuk grill kayak gitu. Wait, ini susah banget karena ada ininya loh. Okay, let's tear out this one first. Oh, this one too. See, 1, 2, 3. Dan aku order ini 2 hari yang lalu ya, 2 hari nyampe ya guys ya. Ini kacanya, nah, aku mau sipin dulu. Kind of very big. So I choose a silver color. Yeah. So ini adalah kertasnya. Apa ini? Sisihin dulu. So guys, I'm already open it and out from the box. And inside of the box there is like polystyrene. A bit disappointed ya, because ini nggak bisa di recycle. It's not good for environment, but I can understand because this one is need protection and this one is quite hard. Okay, this one can protect microwave to get damaged when traveling to here. And nothing inside already. And this is the color. It's you can see it's silver like this. Okay, you see it's very heavy and it's big size. So I'm gonna review later, and I'll show you guys how to use this, because I also need to learn to use this new microwave. By the way, if you want to buy, aku recommended belinya itu di Korea's PC World because it's cheaper than other place. Soalnya biasanya kalau aku beli barang elektronik tuh aku belinya di John Lewis because it's good quality. Dan ini mereknya Samsung. And there is a black color, silver, and this like silver but a little bit gray, silver, white, and black color. So yeah, that's it really. And this one can cook 3 different things. It's like grill also have, like if you want to make the potato become crispy or something like that. Yeah, I'll show you the review later how to use the microwave. Okay guys, stay tuned. Bye bye. So guys, ini aku mau bersihin ini ya, bukain yang lengket-lengket ini di screen ini dulu. Oke, mau remove ini screen-screennya yang tidak perlu untuk disimpan. Ini this one. Remove ya guys, and I'm gonna open this. So it's like this. Jadi ini diprotek banget kan. Ini pintunya. Dan ini di sini itu kayak ada metal ya. Ini buat manggang kayak gitu guys. Ini ada. Ini alat buat manggangnya ya guys. Aku keluarin dulu. So guys, ini udah bersih ya, dan aku udah taruh kacanya itu di sini, sih seperti biasa itu. Aku taruhnya nggak bagus ini, belum pas. Mana ya? Oke, dan udah pas. Dan di sini aku ada minuman. See, this is my first try. Put it here, and then I'm gonna start 30 seconds. Look, and then I click start. The sound is quite noisy, guys. So, but anyway, it's really good looking. See, I can see very clear now from outside. It's good light also. So, let's wait, and I'll show you how it is when it stops. Okay. By the way, in here you can like how to reheat and how to put and how bikin yogurt or dough or like grill. And this is 3 combination that you can cook until the potato is crispy or something like that. Oh, it's finished, guys. Masih baru ya. Jadi agak keras. Oh, panas. Look. Ini panas. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.